Hello, this is the Canva tutorial for this rotating mockup. It's available through my Etsy store linked in the description. When you open the template, click on Position to see all the layers. There are two options included in this template, an empty glass option and a beer filled option. Drop in your background image and right-click to set it as the background. This will be the portion shown through the glass. Then drag in your background image again and snap it into the masking frame, which is the first layer when you open the template. Then drag this layer to the position shown here just above the glass. Next, drop in your design twice for the front of the glass and back of the glass, and make sure to flip the design on the back of the glass. Drag these two design layers to the position shown here. You can adjust the transparency of the design layers to achieve the look you like, and you can also click Edit and Invert to create an etched glass effect. Here, I've just duplicated the layer a few times and added a bit of a drop shadow to make it stand out more. Now the mockup is done, but if you like, you can make some adjustments to the top three layers, which are the glass highlights, glass shadows, and the drop shadow layer. To access a bonus feature of this template, you can click to ungroup the glass layer and see that there is a highlight layer which makes it look like the light is coming from the left side. You can play with the transparency or delete this layer to achieve a look you like best. You can also flip it and move it to the other side of the glass if the background you're using shows light coming from the other direction. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can export the video file by clicking on Share, select the MP4 video format, select the page, then download. I've included a two-tone background with this template. You can apply adjustments to this background to make colors that fit your branding, and you can also use filters to create quick, colorful options. Once you find a look you like, make sure to right-click on the layer to copy the style to the bottom background layer, which is shown through the glass. When bringing in different backgrounds, you can position the top background by double-clicking into the frame to scale and position. Again, making sure that the bottom background layer is the same so that the area behind the glass matches. Another tip is that you can play around with the adjustments on the drop shadow layer as well as the glass itself to make it blend with the background better. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and please feel free to leave a message if you have any questions.